The Motorola Edge 60 Stylus launches in India as a cheaper version of the Moto G Stylus 2025, and after revealing its specs last week, Motorola has now made the price official, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Available only in India for now, this new Edge 60 series smartphone carries a price tag that's significantly lower than its North American counterpart, the Moto G Stylus 2025, which it's practically based on. After several leaks and teasers, the Motorola Edge 60 Stylus is now official and available for pre-order, debuting at a shockingly lower price than expected. While the two phones are nearly identical in design and features, they differ in just one major component: the processor. The Indian variant Edge 60 Stylus is powered by the more capable Snapdragon 7's Gen 2, the same chip found in the HMD Skyline, while the Moto G Stylus sticks with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. And despite this performance boost, the Edge 60 Stylus comes in way cheaper, with an MRP of 28,999 Indian rupees, or roughly $338. But Motorola is offering it at a jaw-dropping launch price of 22,999 Indian rupees, or just around $268. And if you take advantage of bank offers, you can grab it for 21,999 Indian rupees, which is approximately $257, making it a total steal when compared to the Moto G Stylus 2025 that retails for $399 in the US. Let's take a quick look at the specs. The Edge 60 Stylus sports a 6.67-inch POL display with a 2712 by 1220 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and vibrant visuals. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage, and even offers a micro SD card slot that supports up to 1 TB of expandable memory, a rare treat in 2025. For photography lovers, there's a sharp 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls, while the rear camera system includes a powerful 50MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens for versatile shots. Powering the Stylus beast is a 5,000 mAh battery, and Motorola includes a 68W fast wired charger right in the box, along with support for 15W wireless charging. The phone checks all the right boxes with Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6E, dual SIM slots, stereo speakers, and even a headphone jack. Plus, it's IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, covered with Gorilla Glass 3 for added durability, and wrapped in a stylish vegan leather back panel that comes in 2 stunning Pantone certified colors. Surf the web in Gibraltar Sea. The Motorola Edge 60 Stylus officially goes on sale starting April 23rd at 12 p.m. on the Motorola India website and in partner retail stores. And while there's no official word yet on whether it will launch globally, Indian users are certainly getting an unbeatable deal. With a Stylus on board, premium build, solid battery life, and performance that outclasses its US counterpart at a much lower price, the Edge 60 Stylus stands as a perfect blend of innovation and affordability in the mid-range segment. So if you're looking for a stylish smartphone with creative tools and flagship-like features without breaking the bank, the Edge 60 Stylus might just be the one. For more updates on smartphone launches, deep dives into hidden features, and honest tech breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button, only on TechVerse.